gunning, we shining like a diamond. Straight from the island, I got perfect timing, and then I put my time in. No breaks when it's slow, you see me grinding, tucking the line, and everybody know I hit him from behind.
Hit him from behind, linebacker, and I sacked that ass. I hit that bitch one time, cause I smacked that ass. He said I don't spit fire, but I cracked that ass. That shit like it hit up a crack pipe, it get your ass. I been going so fast on the mic, spin that shit that's always tight. White, step up, we'll fight, busting in your neck, aight? I hit you with a numb shut, knock you dumb fuck out. You wanna come quit running your mouth? It's JFE, I put it down, and I rap shit now. It's Form Fresh, one of the best, but I don't rap and I'm out.
Oh, somebody put me on the spot.
Who?
Said, you wanna talk shit with white boys, gonna rip it. Sorry if my lyrics end up being a little creepy and explicit. I just tryna be myself, fuck everybody else. I put your ass out on the album on the shelf. Y'all niggas ain't shit, you never will be. You can't feel me cause you can't feel real shit. See, I've been at the top of my game, but I fell back for a while so I could perfect this almost awesome style. I said, me, JFE, blood and gore, what the fuck you went for? You really want war? Said I'm at your front door, AK waving, grandmama on her knees, you on your knees praying. Bitch really want a miracle to happen, put the mic down please, stop rapping. It ain't working. You just like Miley Cyrus twerking. A fucking joke fucking up the circus.
I said the flow sick like a virus, and everybody hate the dude, man. They can't stop us like paparazzi, and they hit the flow to making money. Say that I'm faking. You catch blood clot like you Jamaican. Why they faking? Yeah, we pop a fella, leave your body with no beat. That's acapella. Pop a fella, shove a fella, put him down. You spit the back, you spit around. Got you running through the city like your name is Chris Brown. Get down with it like the way that we spit it like a pregnant lady. Eminem with the rhyme, I'm so shady.
We're fast in this, so I can take over that. It's Form Fresh, jumping onto this track. We rap the cipher, JFE, and let facts be facts. We spit that shit, all of the cats, they can't spit on tracks, they whack. But I got it on wax, and I just straight chop it up. Motherfuckers know when it come to rapping, we just copped it up. We trying to get the gold, independent, underground legend. Hear me, dog, I'm coming down now. You hear me from the south, ripping the shit, and I be like, how do I?
Two Trill.
So
That was just a little cipher from JFE ENT. Shut up and rap.